Hi, everyone. Thank you for having me. So this is my proposal. I'm Anthony Oliku, by the way. Um, the name of my proposal is the phase one of Huggingface datasets library to SingularityNET Pipeline. Just in the name of the proposal, you can see there are two aspects: Huggingface datasets library and, SingularityNet. So what we are proposing to build is a pipeline that connects these two technologies together, Huggingface and SingularityNet. If you are familiar with Huggingface, you know it's a state-of-the-art machine learning technology platform, and they have lots of data sets, lots of resources, lots of community members that that validate the data sets on Hugging Face. So um, the main work is in this library here, Hugging Face data sets library. I don't know if you can see my screen, but this is their GitHub repository. So here it is. Look at it here. So the main use of this library is for loading data sets, basically, and for pre-processing the data sets. So normally, if you want to make use of data sets on Hugging Face in your code base, you write some code to download that data set, then process the data set, create a programming interface to take inputs and to return outputs, then connect it wherever you want to connect it to. So what we are proposing to build is basically you download whatever data set you want to inside the pipeline, and the pipeline we have faces that's to access that's tools for knowledge graph and LLM tools for knowledge graph and LLM integration. So it is basically a pipeline where anything you want to work on with regards to Hugging Face data sets, you'll be able to do it on the pipeline, and you download that data set um, into your own storage repository. Because what I'm building is not going to store the data set. It is basically a pipeline. So you connect it to whatever system you want the data set to validate. In the case of SingularityNet, the best use case for this kind of pipeline is a question and answer data set that will validate the LLM. A question and answer data set does not involve learning. It's purely facts. There's a question and there's an answer. So those kind of data sets, you can use it to validate whatever response the LLM is going to give you. That's the basic use case. And you can see it here under the request for proposals. This the request for proposal sheet. And in one of the required solutions and the functional requirements, you can see it here. Online web retrieval tools for fact-checking, knowledge graph content, and making scheduled relevant updates. So that's just what the pipeline will be best for. It is going to like fact-check the LLM because you download and pre-process question answer data sets. So that's my first proposal. In my second